Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a method in strings that is ends with. So let's just remind ourselves what a string method is. So it is basically a function that's tied to a certain type of variable in Python. And let's see where it is. Ends with, boom, right here. So then we just type in help string ends with. So you're gonna take 2 and it's gonna check against a string. So let's just jump into it. So let's just see if I give a string. Let's write a function that if a string ends in ed. Let's put this down so you can see. So ends with, and so we're going to need to give it two arguments. But we're going to test, and then the actual string. Close this out. Check to see if group is at the end of string. Okay. So then just return string ends with group. Then we're just gonna call this, and let's see if jumped is past tense. So that's what we're going to check here. Close that out. We got grayed out. Just to make sure. There we go. Alright. Run this. Save it. Oops. And let's see what I did. Here we go. Let's run this again. True. So here is another awesome string method that can be very handy, so we don't have to go in and write our own crazy wacky code of slicing up the string and then checking it. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.